Video guys.
Dia betul-betul duduk dekat rumah itu
lepak
Jun.
dekat.
Tak nampak itu Jun. Oh my god, penat. Berapa ratus sana tangga ni?
I'm gonna ask them the question because they just arrived Urumqi today by train, 27 hours by train, and they don't have any like sleeper bag, but they just sit hard seat. How do you survive that 27 hours?
At 8 a.m. we go like 8 p.m. we go to the Beijing West Railway Station by the BB Kwaichu.
So basically we have to run from, and then like my back still just like it just broke like all of a sudden. So and then like some of the guys, like the Xinjiang guys, was like helping us put all the things on
And
top.
they started to fall in love.
No, oh my god, it's too much people. There's like people sleeping in front of the toilet, beside the toilet, so the toilet is always full
And
every
even
single
at the
time.
hallway.
Yeah, and then they were like using all these like white things, and then they just sleep under the couch.
Is it something like sleeping bag?
No,
It's not sleeping bag.
Just a simple.
It's just like, you know, like
Plastic bag?
like almost like guni, but not really guni. It's like kain one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of creepy because it looks like Maya. It's the people that sells food and everything. So when they want to go through them, they literally have like to push their heads and their hands and everything.
One plug for all the cook.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. But then
At the toilet.
beside the toilet, in front of the hot
Like
water.
nobody uses.
And then one more thing, because sometimes they smoke, so it's
And
really annoying.
They didn't turn off the light at night.
Yeah. So it's really
So
bright. So you
they
cannot
like-
sleep.
A few groups that playing
Poker.
poker card, like
Yeah.
betting.
Yeah.
Literally betting.
To the-
Come on.
Shall we gonna make a move into a next video so you guys okay? Okay, in the next video, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. I'm just kidding. Bye.